When will altcoin season finally start? What is altcoin season exactly and how can we track the altcoin season index? And what charts do we need to look at as beginners if we want to learn more about altcoins and make some money this altcoin season? In this video I'm going to explain everything I know about altcoins and how you can profit from the upcoming altcoin season over here. So let's just dive straight away in towards the most important information directly over here. But not before you leave a like on my last video, make sure you subscribe on the channel over here so you will never miss out on more videos like this, of course. What is an altcoin is the first question you should basically ask yourself. If you don't know what an altcoin is, it will be very hard to make some money with altcoins. And basically altcoins are everything that isn't Bitcoin. So all other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin are altcoins. In my opinion, that's the only thing you need to know at the beginning, of course. But if you want to learn more about what an altcoin is, all the definitions, etc., make sure to read this article on Investopedia over here. I've linked this article in the description below under my last YouTube video. So yeah, make sure to do some research for yourself. Also, the most important thing we are seeing right now is that we aren't in an altcoin season yet over here. And when is there an altcoin season? It's a question you should be asking yourself, and everybody seems to be asking lately. It is officially an altcoin season where 75% of the top 50 coins is performing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. That's when we enter a new altcoin season. And basically, we can see that right now we are not in an altcoin season yet. But that is, in my opinion, a very good thing to see, because that means that there's still a lot of time to enter some altcoin trades, to make some great positions, to buy some altcoins, to do some research. There's still time left before the massive altcoin season really starts to kick in. This is basically how altcoin season works. This is the most important thing you need to know about altcoins. During a bull market, so as we saw since 2023, up until now, 2025, we saw the phase one, which is Bitcoin, where a lot of money flows into Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price will go parabolic. Right now, of course, we know that Bitcoin is trading well above 100k. So let's just say that's definitely happening. But the new phase we need to see for altcoin season to be confirmed is this phase 2 over here. Phase 2 Ethereum. And that's where Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin, and we will hear talks about the flipping. Once Ethereum starts performing very greatly, we will see altcoins follow, because Ethereum is basically the leader of all the altcoins. When Ethereum starts performing good, people will start to take capital, inject more liquidity in for Ethereum into example. After that, people will take their profits from Ethereum and start investing in large cap, so the larger altcoins, for example. And after that, in phase 4, you will see that huge altcoin season, of course. That's where literally everything will go parabolic, all the smaller altcoins, all the bigger altcoins. That's where the real money is made. But the most important thing is to understand that we are still trading in phase 2 over here, and it's not an altcoin season yet, so this is definitely a very good time to start investing. But first of all, you need to understand the money flow over here, the money cycle of a bull market, be able to make some money with altcoins, in my opinion. And the most important charts to monitor are basically the following. Total 2 chart. This is basically the chart which is showing all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin. And what we can see right now is that every single time in February, the time of recording is actually the 1st of February right now. Every single time in February, we see that massive move to the upside. That's basically the turning point for altcoin season. So you're not too late yet, but there's not too much time left to start doing research about altcoins to make some money with altcoins, of course. Because this could be the month where altcoins will start going parabolic, because usually this is a very great month for Ethereum and for altcoins in general. So be warned about it. But yeah, this is the total 2 chart, and this is basically everything besides Bitcoin. So this is a very, very important chart to start monitoring, in my opinion. And also we have the total 3 chart over here, and this is basically the chart that excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is the chart that's only showing large caps, mid caps, small caps, basically all the altcoins most people are looking at. Because let's be honest, a lot of beginners actually aren't looking to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, because the returns aren't going to be as great as, for example, in larger small caps. But of course, the risk with small caps and smaller altcoins is a lot bigger. So that's very important. But this is basically a chart which is showing that. And right now you can see that we are at this exact consolidation as we were in 2021, where the most impressive altcoin season started afterwards. So this is basically a super important consolidation zone where we are trading right now, and I'm expecting that altcoin season to kick off very soon. So in my opinion, this is the perfect time to start learning more about altcoins before the upcoming altcoin season over here. And I think altcoin season could literally be starting this month. So in my opinion, it's definitely a great time to take some action. And if you want to do so, make sure you do it on Blovin over here. Over here you can trade your altcoins safely. You can buy altcoins just for spot positions very safely. And I've linked this platform under this video in the bio. So make sure to check it out. Make sure you check out Blovin over there so you can start to make money with altcoins. But not before you do your own research and understand everything about altcoins. So as I already said, I've linked this article below in the bio. Make sure to read it and understand what altcoin is. Make sure you understand how the money cycle works and how you can read those charts over here. And if you do so, I think you can make some great gains this altcoin season. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. I hope you guys will be super successful this altcoin season. And if you want me to make a video about my top altcoin picks, just let me know in the comments and I will do so, because I love making these videos for you guys. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.